Hey friends, it's Jolene Lesmill's Combat Journey. We are at the end of week 5. And if you've been following my videos, you know that on Friday I gave a right uppercut a little too hard, pulled an area in my back, felt it immediately. So I decided to make Saturday my rest day to calm it down a little bit. Today I woke up, it's Sunday, and it was still there, but I looked at my schedule and I noticed that it was lower body blowout. Knowing what that workout entails, I figured I would be fine doing the workout, and I was right, because it was mainly lower body, and there was no punching and kicking and that kind of thing. What was interesting is that the second workout I was supposed to do today was Inner Warrior Strength and Stretch, and I almost just kind of blew that off because I want to make sure that I don't miss the opening of the Grammys. But then I realized, stupid, your issue is that you pulled a muscle. You kind of need to stretch. So I just finished Inner Warrior Strength and Stretch, and it was glorious. Absolutely glorious. I feel great. Tomorrow is some cardio, so we'll see how I do. I probably just won't be pushing as hard on the right side, but I'm actually feeling really fantastic. I knew today that I was going to be able to get through the workout when I was shopping with a friend, and we were shopping for clothes, and like the store manager came on and said, the store is closing in 20 minutes, so please bring your stuff up to the front. And we hadn't tried them on yet. So we both rushed into the dressing room, and I'm like throwing on clothes and I'm throwing off clothes, and I realized, oh, my mobility's back. So, you know, shopping can be a revealer that things are okay. So just wanted to say this to you guys because I'm not sure how many of you in my challenge groups are actually doing the stretch day. You always report in on the other days, except for my Fit for Life with Fit with Joe group. You guys are spot on with it. But the other ones, group number 2, group number 3, I'm kind of wondering if you're skipping the stretch and if you're skipping your rest day. And all I can say to you is that you are doing your body a disservice. And I will repeat again. Your body makes significant improvements during rest and recovery. You may think that those improvements are happening when you're pushing a barbell over your head or you're in the middle of a push-up or a burpee, but it's not so. Your body makes the improvements that you are hoping for when you give it rest and you give it recovery. So when I realized Friday that I had injured myself and took off all day Saturday, I rested, and my body thanked me for it because today I was able to get in a really nice workout and a really nice stretch. And I think this is part of the learning process. When you start a program like this, you're in a little bit of a panic because you want to see the changes in your body so very badly. But I am imploring you, please don't skip what the trainers will tell you is the most important part of the program, the recovery and the rest. Truly, to skip those is doing your body a disservice because you can only keep up a pace for so long before something goes ka-junk, and then you're off course. And our whole goal is to keep you on course and consistent, correct? I love ya. See you tomorrow. Thanks for following my journey. Bye.